Good morning, everybody. Today we are just going to primarily go over the syllabus. Before we get started with that, does anybody have any questions? Yes, you.
Can I go to the bathroom?
I don't know. Can you? I'm just kidding. It's all good. You absolutely can get up and go to the bathroom. For future reference, I know many of you are fresh out of high school. This might be some of the first college class for some of you. But you can get up, go to the bathroom whenever you need to, or leave class for any other reason without asking.
I don't know, it just seems rude to get up and walk out while you're teaching.
Whether it's to use the restroom, take a call, or a personal issue, do what you need to do. Just come back to class once you finish.
Okay, thanks. What is that?
Oh, this is the TP newsletter. It is a list of all the events and activities the school offers each month. We send out a new one every week that has different events showcased.
Oh, that's cool.